Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Ipsy unboxing for you. I know that my last month's Ipsy bag has not gone up yet. That's because I kind of had a little fiasco with getting the bag, which I explained it all in that video, which should be edited and up very soon. But here is May's Ipsy bag. This one is definitely a lot heavier to me than the other ones have been. The card this month is actually super cute. It's set up like a postcard, and I think you really can send this. You can send it back to Ipsy. It's addressed to Ipsy. You just slap a stamp on it, and it's kind of like a fill in the blank, and this is so cute. I think I'm gonna send this back just because it's adorable. And you can also send it back and for a chance to be featured on the Ipsy social media. So this is just super cute. I love this idea of doing something more with just the cards that you get. So I definitely think this is an awesome idea. So this is what the bag looks like. Online, in my preview, it said that I was supposed to get the purple one. This is the blue one. Maybe that wasn't the color that I was supposed to get that it showed me online. Who knows? So opening it up inside, I am seeing a lot of items, and I really enjoy how this is a vinyl feel to it, so it's waterproof. Definitely a more travel bag, which is what the theme is, like road trips or whatever, so it definitely has that road trippy vibe to it. There's all a bunch of different destinations on there, and it snaps shut. So this is a really great bag to take with you if you are traveling. Obviously that's what they designed this bag for, so it's actually a really great and sturdy bag. So the first thing that I am seeing inside is this Hanalei lip treatment. Now, I've never tried a lip treatment before, so I'm really curious about how this is gonna go. I've never heard of this company, I've never heard of this treatment, so it's definitely something all new to me. The next thing I am seeing in here is from Glam Glow, and if you have been around the internet, Glam Glow is a very popular mask facial treatment company. I know that Graveyard Girl loves Glam Glow, and I think Nikki Tutorials loves Glam Glow. All I know is that I was super excited to get a Glam Glow product just because so much of the hype, and they're actually really expensive. So this little trial is probably the cost of an Ipsy bag. And this is the Youth Mud Tingle Exfoliant Treatment. So basically it's a face mask. So I have so far a lip treatment and a face mask. The next thing that I see in here is by the brand Ipsy, and it is another mask. It's a hydrating mask, and you know, I'm kind of disappointed. I got two masks and a lip treatment all in one bag, and it looks like the only kind of makeup-y thing that I got this time is this Smashbox X-rated mascara, which everybody got one, so I didn't get any sort of makeup products this month, and I'm honestly really disappointed. I mean, it's not that I don't like mascara samples, but I always find that mascara samples are really difficult because the wand is so short. But again, I can't look a gift horse in the face. It's great to have and try out all of these mascaras, but you know. And the last thing in my Ipsy bag is a nail polish by the brand Aurora, New York, and it is Gel Effect Nail Lacquer, made in Italy, and it is bright freaking orange. I don't like the color orange. I never wear orange, and I mean, this is a great color for summer, obviously, but I will probably never, ever wear this. As you can see, I've got blue and a silver thumb. Like, I'm into the dark kind of classic colors. I like metallics, but orange, no. So, you know, looking at what I got in this month's bag, I got 2 facial masks, a lip treatment, a mascara, and a nail polish that I'll never wear. This month is so disappointing to me. This is probably the most disappointing month to me. And I always leave reviews online for Ipsy to kind of curate my bag towards me. And I will definitely be letting them know that I don't want any more masks. I don't want treatments. I don't want mascara. I just want makeup and trying new brands of stuff. And I mean, I like nail polish, but I would never ever wear this color, unfortunately. I liked the nail polishes that they sent me in the past. In my April bag, I got a purple color, but it was a purple color that I already have. I have a billion shades of that purple. Like, I don't need another lilac purple. Everybody has the lilac purple. Why? And it was not chip resistant at all. It chipped way fast. I took it off because it was just a chippy disaster. So, I mean, Ipsy overall is really hit or miss for me. I mean, you can have really great months like I did a couple months ago. You can have really bad months like I did this month. It's just really, I mean, it's $10. So, again, this Glam Glow mask is probably worth $10 in itself. So, I'm all about saving money and having the best value. So, you know, if I'm saying that even though I'm not thrilled with everything, it's definitely worth the $10. It's still worth $10 of product, so I'm still happy to receive it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss another video, and I will see you guys next time with a brand new video. Bye!